Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Hope y'all are doing well. I'm doing okay here, just working. So, first of all, I'm just gonna get started with a whole new project right here. Let me turn off the light. I'm getting started with this new Kirby project. It's gonna be posted onto my Etsy, and I'll also have it for sale. So let me get started. I'm gonna draw it out. It should be a pretty quick process. I want to get this done today and then put it in the sun. So I want to get to tufting ASAP. So let's get this video going. We're gonna start tufting right now, right after we draw it out. So let me record the drawing process. Let's get it. I'm just gonna turn off the projector real quick. Here's how it looks. We're gonna get into tufting it right now. So I always start with the details first. Usually for my Kirby rugs, I start with the eyes. And then I like to move into the black after the blue, the white, and then maybe the mouth, yeah. And then maybe the feet and the outline, so usually that's the order of process I work in. Now, you gotta keep in mind, I do draw these out. I do take references and then alternate them, I like to put in my own little ideas or what I think look good. So all my designs, if you see anyone else selling it, it's actually my design. It's not my character, but it's my design though, for real. So now I just move into the outline. Usually I do the outline and I fill it in. Pretty satisfying part right here. You'd actually be surprised how long it really takes for me to just go up and down just to do the outline by itself. So probably like an hour. And then from and then I go to the fill color. I outline everything first, that way it doesn't get in my way, and then I just go into the fill, the actual filling. Doing the fill part of the project is probably the most simple part, but it's also really time consuming just because you're going to be going up and down this whole time. You might be dealing with a lot of issues with your gun and your with your yarn breaking and shit, but Besides that, I mean, the process can go smoothly or it could take a really long time. Moving on to the stars, I just do the outline first, then I fill it in. And I didn't actually have the right yarn colors that I wanted to use, but these ones turned out pretty decent, so I'm fine with it. On my next design that I decide to create, I don't know if I'll recreate this one. I might just sell this one as a one-on-one, one of one. We'll see what really happens, because I might just decide to keep it too. I don't really know. So right here, I like to do the edges first when I glue the backing. And oh my god, the gloves were getting stuck to this shit so bad. But like I was saying, when you do the edges first, your project doesn't fall apart by the sides. Because, you know, if it starts peeling apart by the sides, one thread at a time, it's going to come apart. So next step is just to remove it, and I'm gonna go place it outside in the front yard in the sunlight, because it needs to be in like pretty much hot and dry climate for the glue to actually dry really well. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna require me to use 2 hands, so I can't really record much, but let's get it done. So this stuff is hella sticky, so you don't even want to touch it. Alright, so for the next part, I have to just cut it out with electric scissors. And I usually just leave like 1 inch at the edge so that I can fold it over. I'm just gonna get started, I'll be back. So for the next part, I'm just gonna cut up the edges into small squares, and then I'm just gonna glue them down with the hot glue gun. You know, it's the next day. I finished hot gluing the edges of these down, and we're gonna move into the next step. I need to still buy the black felt backing for this, but that's the last step we need to do anyway. We're gonna start shaving it right now, and then we're gonna clean up the project, and then I'm gonna get started on 2 commissions right after this. So let's get straight into this. We gotta get this done today. What up, guys? So I finally finished cleaning it. It's been like a whole day of just straight up just cleaning this. Every hour that I get a chance, I'm just working on this project. So I'm gonna clean up the edges. I just use I actually have this shaver right here. I use this to go around the edges and clean it up. Then we're gonna jump to the garage where I put the felt backing on. Alright, so here's the final results. Check out those edges. Hella clean. And you know, this was just a personal project that I might sell. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Look at this. How clean it is. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the video. Here's Kai for you. So pretty much what's going to happen now is I'm going to move into my commissions that I had to get done. So check out my next video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. So just let me know what you guys want to see.